Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K5 Automotive Group. Today, man, we got another video. We're gonna do putting in some work on the e46 convertible. We got control arm bushings, the rack and pinion boots, sway bar links, inner and outer tie rod ends. So we definitely got a lot of work ahead of us today, man. But you know, shit. So same day, different video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video I'm gonna post before this one. But yeah, bro, you ready to put in some work, man?
Yeah, man. Let's get to it. I'm ready, man.
All right, man. So we're gonna cut on the camera in a little bit. I'm gonna start tearing down this suspension, man. It look like one side been replaced already, so we're gonna replace this side. Might just do both depending on how it look. All right, guys, we're about to get to work, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. And you could drop the top with just the key. That's dope. Oh shit, damn. I said what? Drop the top? Oh yeah. Alright guys, we got the left control arm out. This thing, see how much that bushing is just shaking? No structure. And this ball joint was hard to get off too. That's why I didn't want to record it. Like, you know, you always got to beat on these things to get them out. And we got the new side. So now we're gonna slam this on, and then put that side on, the left side on, and then we're gonna get to the right side. So we're back in a little bit, man. All right, guys, we changing out the tie rods. We just installed the control arm, changing new tie rods and dust boot. Guys, we done got the inner and outer tie rods changed with the new boots, with the old ones. Let me know if y'all like want to see me like actually change things, cause I figure people don't really want to see that, you know. I just showed it before and after.
Yeah, the 325.
All right, guys, we all done, man. The car back together, man. We just putting everything, putting the bumper on. We got a new bumper for it, but we're gonna have to look into getting it, you know, everything in the front redone. Like,
find the brackets that's missing and stuff.
yup, the brackets, there's a lot of shit missing, man. So he already put the intake, the new intake boots and intake cone. But yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for all the support, man.